What's up guys, Jay's 2 cents here, and we need to build a new computer. We are gonna build ourselves the ultimate 9900K editing rig. So we've teamed up with MSI to show you how to build it. Keep your finger on it because it is under spring tension, so you don't want it to flip back on you. Remove the socket cover, and then you'll notice on the CPU, you actually have two indentations on it. Hey. All right, so these are the parts we're gonna use here on this computer.
I'm gonna enjoy it. I'll do it myself.
So then unless you're buying the slowest, most bargain basement memory you can find, you probably won't have to worry too much about RAM speeds.
I do. You're not the only one cursed with knowledge.
You asked it for a prize, and it told you no. You failed.
I'm sorry, little one.